Hello friends, in this video I will show how to automatically clear Google Chrome browsing data on exit. So simple method guys, you have to follow. Click on this three dot, then settings. Now here click on privacy and security. Then click on site settings. Now click on cookies and other site data. Now here you will see the option. So here you will see this setting. Clear cookies and site data when you close all windows. When on, you will also be signed out of Chrome. So just you have to select the setting to on position and exit and reopen. So this way guys, you can automatically clear Google Chrome browsing data on exit. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not. Share, like and subscribe this channel.